So suppose we are going to grocery shops, then there we are asking 1 meter cloth, like that we are asking means they should laugh. So each and everything that is having measurement. So if a grocery shop we are asking, go there and we ask for 1 kg dal, 1 kilogram of sugar, like that only asking, they will they will give. So measurement is very very important for each and everything. So we are going to that we are going to the shop. That means shop means cloth shop. So then we are asking 1 meter of 1 meter of shirt bit. So like that we are asking. So each and everything that is having a measurement. So the measurement has the four systems in CG system, centimeter, gram, second. So and also MK system, meter, kilogram, second. So the elaborated one is the SI system. SI system is elaborated systems. So there are the 7 fundamental quantities and 22 derived quantities. So the fundamental quantities is basic units. That basic units is
You might have
length, mass. Sir, display of the 7 fundamental quantities.
Let's recapitulate.
7 fundamental quantities, that is, so here we are using the temperature, the unit is Kelvin. So electric current, the unit is ampere, we should measure. The amount of substances we should measure, the unit is mole. Luminous intensity that is candle lamp. Amount, length, mass, time, these are more fundamental quantities, basic units. Length, so we should measure one end to another end. So we should measure. So for a short distance, we should measure the millimeter, centimeter, like that. So we should do the geometrical. So we should write the centimeter, like that. So we should measure the longer distance, that is meter, and then kilometers, like that. Like that we are measuring. Same like that mass, the unit of mass is a kilogram. So the kilogram, so milligram, centigram, like that. Milligram is a very small unit, milligram, and largest unit we are using the kilogram, and then very large unit we should measure. We should say, so 100 kilograms, that is we should say the quintals, and 1 ton is, we should say the 1000 kilogram is a 1 ton, like that we should measure. Time is we should measure the time is seconds. Second, so these are millisecond and microseconds also there. So we should measure milliseconds, microseconds, day per day, per week, like that we should say. So these are the 7 fundamental units. 7 fundamental units. Then next, these are all multiples and submultiples are there. Each and everything is length, mass, time, multiples and submultiples also there. Multiples means so into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, like that also. So larger units. Submultiples means with very smaller units we should measure submultiples. So next we will go.
You might have heard older people talking about distance between 2 places in terms of miles. If you wonder why they don't refer to distance in kilometers, then you must go back to understand the history of weights and measures first. In olden days, people used different units to measure things. For example, both pound and gallon were used to measure weight. Also, the measurement of one unit, for example a mile, differed from place to place. To overcome such differences, SI system or Le Système International d'Unité was introduced. It came into existence in 1971 when the General Conference on Weights and Measures was convened for a uniform system of measurement. The SI system is superior and easy to...
This SI system is superior to all other system. So this does not vary the time. The units do not vary the time. It is features the properties of the atoms.
Practice compared to all other systems. The units do not vary with time as their features are based on the properties of an atom. The units for all physical quantities are fixed and derived in the SI system. There are 7 basic units and 22 derived units in the.
So there are the 7 basic units. That is basic units we should say, that is fundamental units, and the number of derived units is 22 derived units. So the basic units 7 units derived from the basic units, that is fundamental units derived from the fundamental units, that is derived units we should say.
SI system. Let us now learn about the basic units of temperature and electric current, namely Kelvin and Ampere. According to the SI system, the unit of temperature is Kelvin. It is a fraction of 1 by 273.16 of thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. The triple point of water is the temperature at which saturated water vapor, pure water and melting ice are